In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to choose between GitHub Pro and the free version. At some point, you might find yourself at a crossroads, wondering if it's time to level up your GitHub experience. Whether you're a developer gearing up for a more robust project or just curious about what the premium features entail, this video will walk you through the process of making that decision and upgrading to GitHub Pro should you decide it's the right path for you. Let's begin by making sure you're signed in to your GitHub account. Once you're in and ready, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. Here, you should see your profile picture. Go ahead and click on it. A drop-down menu appears showcasing a variety of options that you use regularly. What you're looking for is Settings. Click on that to proceed to the Configurations page that holds a treasure trove of customization and personal preferences. On the Settings page, notice the sidebar on the left-hand side. This panel is your gateway to managing different aspects of your GitHub account. Look for the option titled Billing and Plans. Once you find it, go ahead and click. You are now on the page where the magic happens in terms of managing your subscription and evaluating plans. At this point, look under Current Plan. This section provides a clear view of your existing subscription type. If you've been enjoying the free tier and wish to explore more features, the Upgrade Plan button is your call to action. Click it to explore premium options available beyond your current plan. Here's where the choice between GitHub Free and Pro becomes critical. GitHub Pro is designed for developers who need more than what the free plan offers. With enhanced privacy controls and extended capabilities, GitHub Pro is popular among developers who need top-level features or greater collaboration within private projects. Review the Pro option thoroughly to be sure it fits your requirements. If you're convinced, go ahead and select GitHub Pro. Now comes the part where you get to enter your payment information. It's straightforward. GitHub requires your card details to process the upgrade. Ensure that your payment details are correct to facilitate a smooth transition. In case there are any concerns, GitHub support is usually very responsive. Once you've double-checked everything, click Upgrade to Pro. This final action moves you from your current plan to a Pro account. Congratulations on your upgrade. You can now explore a suite of enhanced features and tools that come with GitHub Pro, enabling a smoother, more sophisticated development process. That's all there is to it. Whether you're just curious or need to make those premium features work for you, understanding how to navigate from free to pro is a vital skill. Enjoy your new capabilities and happy coding.